So if you're anything like me, you've been playing Tf2 for a while now. I love this game, but sometimes this game can get a little stale every now and then. Thank you, Valve. But with the resurgence of Tf2 mods, thanks to a workaround in casual, you can now change your game to your liking and have mods like this, or I guess this, if you're a horny fuck. But the one mod that works and at the same time doesn't work is animation overhauls. Animation overhauls are probably the most respected mods since they alter something that you see all the time while playing and isn't cringy as fuck.
Stop it. Get some help.
There are many videos that talk about this, but they have the common issue of crashing. But I personally know how to fix it. Kinda. First thing is to go on Game Banana and download an animation overhaul. The ones I use are mostly from these creators since they have one for all 9 classes, but if you find another creator that makes other animations, you can use theirs instead. Once you found a mod that you want to install, just scroll down to where you see the manual download. Sometimes they'll have a latest version marked right here. Always go for that. So hit download, and hit download again, and then it's gonna pop up right here, and just open it up and just leave it to the side for right now. Next thing to do is to open up Steam. Once you're on Steam, go to your library and then head down to Tf2, right click on it, and then go to where is it? Go to manage, then go to browse local files, and this will bring you to your install location for Tf2. Once you're here, hit TF, hit custom, and right here, this is where you will put all your mods, or the majority of your mods. Now bring back that one animation that we downloaded earlier. Left click on it again, and sometimes there's usually a readme text document that goes into more detail from the creators themselves about how to install this mod. And if you read this, then you would know that if you're gonna play on casual, you would use this right here instead of this one. So just drag this mod into here, and once that you see it's there, you are fine, and your mod is now installed. Now you have to go hit back, go to the CFG, and now you have to create an autoexec folder. And how to do that is that you right click over here, go to new, and go to text document. And now since I already have an autoexec folder, I'm just gonna name it something else. So I'm gonna name it fart. So once you named your file autoexec, you still have to change the text file into a CFG file or a config file. How to do that is that you hit view up here, and then you enable file name extensions, and this will give you the ability to change the name of any file. So go here, right click again, go to rename, hit the text, and then just type in CFG. And this will be a pop-up. If you want to change the file extension, just hit yes. Once you have your autoexec folder, open it up, and then in the description there's going to be this command right here. Don't worry about all of this stuff up here. What this does is that you load into a map while you're loaded into the game. Might take a while, but what it does is that it allows all the mods that you downloaded to fully enable into the game, and then disconnects you and just brings you back to the main menu. So once that's done, hit file, hit save, and then you are done with all the hard stuff. So now all you have to do is load up Tf2. Once your game is done loading, load up into any casual match and load into whatever map you want. Go to the class that you downloaded and check out the animations. Now remember earlier what I said about them crashing? Well, it's true. After a couple games, your animations will usually break and look like this.
What is that?
There are only 2 ways to fix this. Number 1 is to play on community servers only. Community servers usually don't run svpure1, and that is the command that disables most mods on casual. And the last thing is to spawn in as all 9 of the classes in a single match. I don't understand why this works, but trust me, it does work. The only problem is that you have to do it for every single match, and trust me, it gets super annoying pretty fast. On top of all of this, you could still join matches that are basically over with when people are voting for the next map and you physically cannot spawn in, and it will crash your animations. Thank you again, Valve. Hopefully with the new mods that are being created with this casual workaround, we'll be able to have custom animations permanently to spice up the gameplay without doing this every single match. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking the video or subscribing, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.